I was getting some forest footage the other day, and one thing which was a little bit uncomfortable is making all the shots with bare DSLR camera. Especially when you try to make these slow moving footages like this one. There are a ton of stabilizers you can get today, but I thought it would be really nice to try to build one myself and understand the mechanic behind. So I went to a store to buy some pipes. So the idea was to make a frame with PVC pipes and locate the camera just in the bottom center of the frame. But only corner parts weren't enough, because maybe in the future I will want to put servo motors and stabilize the camera even more. So I cut a little bit more pipe. I've got my additional pipe pieces around a few inches each, and then I tried to assemble a prototype. So this is technically the test assembly, and the design is really simple. The top part is for holding a frame, and the same box at the bottom is for holding camera itself. Another important feature for me was switching a camera between the frame and the tripod, because sometimes I want to get a steady picture and sometimes I want to get a moving footage. So without hesitation I went to Fusion 360 and I designed something very similar to the lock you've got on your tripod. But I designed only the bottom base part, and the top part which slides into I will use just from the tripod itself. Well, sometimes your design may have a little gap. This is it, the lock. It came out really nice from the 3D printer, and you just slide your camera in and you lock it, and there you go. It seems very strong and should hold the camera. Most of the gear you buy for your video making is painted black, so I followed the trend. So finally, after all the hard work, that is what we've got. So some field testing. Left side camera without frame and right side camera with the frame. It stabilizes the image a little bit, but what is more important, it's really comfortable to hold now. That's it for now, enjoy some more forest footage and see you next time.